Have you ever wanted to grow your own herbs indoors? Imagine the convenience, the cost-effectiveness, and the sheer satisfaction of cultivating your own food right in the comfort of your home. Well, you're in luck because today we're going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to do just that. First off, let's talk about the basics. Kickstarting your indoor herb garden begins with selecting the right pots and soil. Remember, a well-draining soil and pot are paramount. Next, ensure your herbs get plenty of light. Most herbs love sunlight, so a sunny windowsill works wonders. Don't forget water, but avoid overdoing it. Lastly, picking the right herbs is key. Some herbs, like basil and parsley, thrive indoors. With these basics in mind, you're ready to start your indoor herb garden. Now, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, gather your materials. You'll need pots with good drainage, a high-quality potting mix, and of course, your chosen herb seeds or seedlings. Step 1 is preparing your pots. Ensure they're clean and have adequate drainage holes. Fill them with your potting mix, leaving a small space at the top. Step 2 is planting. If you're using seeds, sprinkle them lightly over the soil and cover them with a thin layer of potting mix. If you're using seedlings, dig a small hole in the center of your pot, place your seedling in, and cover the roots with soil. Step 3 is care. Place your pots in a location with plenty of sunlight. Water regularly, but be careful not to overwater. Your herbs also need a good air circulation, so ensure your indoor garden isn't too crowded. Finally, for harvesting, simply snip off what you need from your mature plants. And there you have it, a simple guide to growing your own herbs indoors. To sum up, growing herbs indoors is a rewarding and cost-effective way to always have fresh herbs at your fingertips. Remember, choose the right pots and soil, provide adequate light and water, select appropriate herbs, and follow our step-by-step guide. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy planting!